This brick ranch on nearly 22 acres offers a rare opportunity to own a large private tract of land in Virginia. The home being sold as is has potential for renovation and features 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths. Recent updates include a new roof, composite decking, and foundation repairs with transferable warranty. The property boasts serene wooded views, a spacious back deck, and ample parking. With its huge potential and convenient location near parks, schools, and shopping, this property is ideal for investors, flippers, or buyers. Please check out video description to contact with the listing agent. Thank you for watching.